It begins with a simple click, a message sent, a search made, a camera blinking red. But behind that click lies a silent war, nations hacking nations, data replacing weapons, and algorithms deciding what truth looks like. This is not science fiction. It's the world we live in, a world where cyberpower rivals military power, and artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of politics. Welcome to the age of technology, AI, and cyber politics, where the fight for control is digital, invisible, and everywhere. Welcome back to the Learning Studio. You're watching our political science series, and in today's episode, we'll explore how technology, artificial intelligence, and cyber politics are reshaping the foundations of global power, security, and governance. We'll see how states use technology not just to connect, but to control, influence, and wage war in the shadows. And in our next episode, we'll dive into political economy and global capitalism, exploring how money, markets, and power intertwine to shape global politics. The digital turn in politics technology has always influenced power, from the printing press fueling revolutions to the radio shaping public opinion. But the 21st century introduced a new dimension, cyberpolitics, the competition for control over data, networks, and digital infrastructure. In this new arena, hackers replace spies, algorithms replaces ideologues, information replaces ammunition. Every tweet, transaction, and text can become a political act. Cyber warfare, the new battleground. Cyber warfare refers to using digital attacks to disrupt or damage another nation's systems. From the Stuxnet virus that sabotaged Iran's nuclear program to alleged election interference through hacking and disinformation, warfare has moved from land to laptops. Even global infrastructure, power grids, hospitals, banks can be targeted remotely. This makes cybersecurity not just a tech issue, but a matter of national defense. AI and political power. Artificial intelligence is transforming everything: governance, surveillance, and even diplomacy. Governments now use AI for predictive policing and crime analysis, facial recognition and mass surveillance, automated propaganda and targeted political ads. But with power comes ethical questions. Who programs these systems? Who monitors the algorithms? And what happens when machines start making moral decisions humans once made? AI challenges traditional ideas of accountability and freedom. In authoritarian states, it strengthens control. In democracies, it tests privacy and trust. Digital surveillance and data politics. Data is the new oil, but also the new weapon. Social media companies and governments collect billions of data points every day. This data is used to predict behavior, influence choices, and even manipulate elections, as seen in the Cambridge Analytica scandal. Citizens become both consumers and commodities, their privacy traded for convenience. The line between governance and surveillance grows thinner every day. The global race for tech dominance. The United States leads in innovation and big tech companies. China leads in AI integration and digital authoritarianism. Russia excels in cyber warfare tactics. The European Union focuses on ethics, privacy, and regulation. This race is not just about technology, it's about defining the future of freedom itself. Technology is no longer neutral, it's political. AI, data, and cyberspace have become the new frontiers of power, raising critical questions of ethics, control, and democracy. The future of politics won't be fought only in parliaments or battlefields, but in servers, code, and algorithms. And that's today's lecture on technology, AI, and cyber politics, the invisible struggle shaping tomorrow's world order. In our next episode, we'll journey into political economy and global capitalism, where we'll see how wealth, trade, and inequality shape the destiny of nations. This is the Learning Studio, where learning never stops. See you in the next class.